Welcome to MSL Park Motors Mercedes-Benz. Today I'm going to show you around a 2017 A180 diesel Sport Premium. This car is loaded with extras. At the front you have parking sensors, they're here and on the rear. You can see you have your LED daylight running lights, but there's also LED dipped beams and full beams, so it's much safer for driving at night time, much brighter light. On the side you have 17-inch alloy wheels. They're fantastic, they look very well, very sporty air about them. This is finished in Selenite Grey with a full black leather interior. In the back you have your full-size tree belts and ISOFIX points as well. At the rear you have your twin exhaust pipes, which look very smart. You can spot a little detail, but the number plate lights are finished in LED as well, so it looks very slick. Boot space, there's loads of it, so it's good and wide, and you can fold the seats down as well. At the back, because it has the full LED lights at the front, you also get the LED rear lights. They're much brighter and they look very, very slick at night time. On the inside, that sporty theme is continued in that you have your full leather seats. You have a lot of adjustment in them. Say for instance, you can extend that out just to give a little support underneath the back of your leg. You can twist this to flatten this area or raise it up. You can change the height of the seat, and obviously you can adjust the angle of the back as well. The lights themselves, as well as being LED, they're also automatic. So when it gets dark, they'll come onto the dipped beam themselves. And the car is also keyless start. So once the key is on your person, you can simply push the brake, push the start button, and the car starts up. There is only 35,000 kilometers on this car, so it's very low. On the steering wheel you have your controls for your radio stations and your phone, and you can control your trip computer on the other side. As I mentioned, it's automatic, but you also have paddles, plus on the right and a minus on the left. What you can do with those is you can change up and down the gears of the gearbox if you wanted to do it, like in a manual fashion. The screen, there's your Bluetooth, so once your phone is paired up, it will feed all of your details through there. When you go into reverse, your parking camera also appears. Quite a handy feature is, you see as I turn the steering wheel, those yellow lines have changed. So just for the sake of doing it so you can see what it looks like. We're in our own car park here, and I know there's nobody around, so if I reverse into a space, you can see the way the yellow lines are kind of guiding me as to where I'm going to end up. And as I go backwards, between your camera and your parking sensors, you can hear them kicking in now. You're really well looked after. Moving down the dashboard, you have your radio stations. You control them through here on your phone. You also have heated seats in the front, left and right, which are great in this kind of weather. Down here you have your dual climate control. So if you were picking up somebody and they were nice and warm, or cold shall I say, they can be at 28 degrees on their side, and you can have your side of the cabin at a constant 16 or whatever takes your fancy. Underneath here you've got loads of cubby holes for storage. This is a controller which again you can use for your Bluetooth or for your radio, which will link back into your screen here. The car is available at the moment, so if you'd like to come and have a look and have a test drive, please by all means do give us a shout on 01 869 1000, and we'd be delighted to help you out. Thanks for watching.